Snack Smart, 10 tips for enhancing your healthy snacking habits. Avoiding unhealthy snacking can be challenging, but with some strategies and mindful habits, you can make healthier choices. Here are some tips to help you avoid unhealthy snacking. 1. Plan your meals and snacks ahead of time. This will help you avoid reaching for unhealthy snacks when you're feeling hungry. 2. Don't keep unhealthy snacks in the house. If they're not there, you can't eat them. If you do snack, make it a healthy choice. Choose fruits, vegetables, nuts, or seeds. 3. Practice mindful eating. Before reaching for a snack, pause and assess whether you're genuinely hungry or eating out of boredom or habit. Ask yourself if you're eating due to emotional reasons. Practice mindful eating by savoring each bite, being aware of your hunger and fullness cues, and eating with intention. 4. Hydrate. Sometimes, thirst can be mistaken for hunger. Stay hydrated by drinking enough water throughout the day. When you feel the urge to snack, have a glass of water first and see if it alleviates the craving. 5. Portion control. Be mindful of portion sizes. Instead of eating straight from the package, portion out snacks into a bowl or container. This helps you become more aware of how much you're consuming and prevents overeating. 6. Find healthy substitutes. If you have a craving for a specific unhealthy snack, try to find a healthier substitute. For example, if you're craving something crunchy, opt for carrot sticks or homemade popcorn instead of chips. 7. Focus on balanced meals. Make sure your main meals are well balanced, including fruit and vegetable, whole grains, protein and healthy fats. Eating balanced meals can help keep you satisfied for longer and reduce the urge to snack on unhealthy foods. 8. Identify triggers. Recognize your triggers for unhealthy snacking, such as stress, boredom, or certain environments. Once you're aware of these triggers, find alternative ways to cope, like going for a walk, practicing relaxation techniques, or engaging in a hobby. 9. Seek support. If you struggle with unhealthy snacking, consider seeking support from healthcare professionals, a registered dietitian, and a therapist or support groups. They can provide personalized guidance and strategies to help you overcome. 10. Be kind to yourself. If you snack on unhealthy foods, don't beat yourself up. Just pick yourself up and start again the next day. Remember, it's okay to indulge in occasional treats, but making healthier choices for the majority of your snacks can have a positive impact on your overall health and well-being.